As any Machinima director or Machinima fan knows, in Halo 2 there was a option: if you press down on the D-pad, you lower your weapon. Now this may seem like a very small feature, but it actually helped Machinima drastically. I'm not going to explain what Machinima is in this video, since if you're watching this, I assume you already know. Now, it helped Machinima because normally when you're just in-game, your character is constantly aiming his weapon. This can ruin scenes where characters are just talking and not necessarily trying to kill each other, basically taking you out of the immersion that you're not just watching some gameplay footage being filmed from a cinematic angle. Now, you could do this on Xbox Live, you could do it on local play, you could do it anywhere with a simple press of down on the D-pad. But when Halo 3 was released, the ability to make Machinima was made much more difficult, at least from a quality standpoint, when weapon lowering was not available for use on Xbox Live, which this basically meant that in order to lower your weapon to a casual stance, you must be in local play. This may seem very small, and I thought it was very small at first too, and then I realized that making Machinima would be much more difficult without this feature. Basically, this hampers us to having to buy either 4 controllers or a second Xbox, making it a much more expensive endeavor to even make a Machinima, ruining the advantages of making a Machinima at all, which is that it's much cheaper than making an actual film. Now, there is a group trying to get weapon lowering on Xbox Live. Bungie's reason stating why it isn't on Xbox Live is because they fear people may use the animation of lowering your weapon to glitch the game in some sort of weird way. Now, I find this incredibly stupid. They have no idea how large of an issue this is. Okay, maybe not large, but it does make Machinima more difficult. And Machinima is drastically growing thanks to people like Darkspire Films and Digital Fear, and I myself want to make a Machinima, yet I find it difficult because if I can't have on local play, I can only have 4 players at the max, 4 people on screen. What if I wanted to have more people than that? I couldn't necessarily, because I wouldn't be able to lower their weapons. It would have to be on Xbox Live. Now, Bungie has, according to my sources, which is Bungie themselves, at least in their weekly update, they say they're trying to fix this, but I have heard no word or nothing other than a slight mention of it in one of their updates, which means they obviously either don't care or just can't find a solution to you. My problem with this is obviously that they think that we might abuse it to cheat somehow. So, why? They don't even know. Have they confirmed that you can cheat it somehow? I've never found a way, even in local play. But it just makes no sense. It seems like a very small thing to fix. I mean, I'm no game programmer, but it doesn't seem like that big of a thing to fix. Just maybe like a month of testing. That's as long as it could possibly take. Maybe a month of figuring out how to fix this issue. But no, Bungie just doesn't seem to care. But there is a group, however, working to rectify this. Now, on September 25th, 2008, that's this year, for all you people who have trouble, there is a group who has over 300 members so far. They all say they're going to stop Xbox Live, completely not play on Xbox Live for 24 hours to see if Bungie notices them and recognizes our cause. Now, I greatly appreciate this, even though I think it is unlikely for Bungie to notice us at this rate. But if we can get enough people, maybe they will. There's always a chance. And if this is definitely a chance worth taking. We have nothing to lose other than 24 hours of playing Halo 3. So please, Machinima directors, Machinima fans, even just game fans, Halo 3 fans, Bungie fans, anyone, please help us out. We're trying to give you good Machinima, but Bungie's making it more difficult for us. Please, just help us out here. Join this group. Stop playing Halo 3 for 24 hours on September 25th, 2008. That gives you time. Please, do this for us. We need your help. Please, Bungie, recognize this as an issue.